How to use Facebook on mobile. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to use Facebook on mobile. If you want to use Facebook on mobile, then you need to follow these steps. First thing first, you have to download the application. So go to your respective app store. On the search bar, type in Facebook and install the app. After you're done installing the application, click on the open button. It will take you to a login or sign up interface. So what there you need to do is click on the sign up button, and then you want to go ahead and select whether you want to go with a personal or professional account. Select that, tap the next button. As you've actually done it, so you then need to go ahead and type in your first name, last name, all that. So type in your first name, last name, tap the next button. Select the date of birth according to your age, tap on the next button. And you want to go ahead and select your gender and tap the next button once again. Enter in the contact details. It could either be your phone number or email address as well, and tap the next button. As you've actually done it, so create a password and tap the next once again. And the next field you will be asked to verify your identity or verify your email address. So to verify your email address, you need to make sure to go ahead and enter in the verification code that will be sent to your registered email. And as soon as you do that, you'll be asked to set up a profile and you'll have successfully created your Facebook account. After which you could go ahead and add people on Facebook, and that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.